Hi, this is Chris Webb with WebbinR, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to give you a brief introduction to loading data using a CSV file and just answer a few questions. What kind of object is it? What are the variables? What does the data look like? What types are the variables? And what are just some summary statistics? And you can see that I have the commands here already. The read.csv, as long as you have the quotations around where the CSV is located, you can get these online through sources like I got here, the stats department of UCLA, or you can get them locally from your PC or Mac. And there are a couple different ways to input the data when you have a Mac or when you have a PC, and there's going to be another video on that, so I won't bog you down with that. One thing about this is I did take a look and it did have a header, so the header is true. Other times you're going to have strings as factors, and you want to either write true or false on that. I believe the default is false on that. I will check that for you. What kind of object is it? We're going to go ahead and use the class function. What are the variables? You're going to use the names function. What does the data look like? You're going to use the head function. What are the types of the variables? The structure function, it gives you the variable type. And then the summary, it gives you the summary statistics of each variable. So the first thing we'll do is just read in the data. And you're going to see over here it pops in right into the global environment. Now if we run the class function, we can take a look at that. It shows us the data frame. If we use the names function, what we're going to see is that these are all the variables. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables, and you can confirm that over here. And then we're going to use the head function, and it's going to give us what the 6 variables here, what the amounts are for each one of those variables. And then we're going to go ahead and run the structure, and again it comes up with the variables here. I'm sorry, up here the 6 variables go across the top, and then the bottom is the amounts that are in each one. And then you can kind of cross-reference that here where it says general, and you can see it's general here for the first one, 0, 0, 70, 70. So you can see that these are just different ways of looking at the data within the data frame. The summary statistics, by just using the summary function, and what this does is it'll give you give me a minute here, my recorder is in the way. It'll give you the minimum, the first quartile, the median, third quartile, and then the max. So you're basically getting all your summary statistics here, so you should be able to, after looking at this, have a better understanding of what it would look like on a graph, on a histogram, on a plot. So if you guys have questions, please let me know. Please continue to watch our videos, and thank you so much. I hope you're learning a lot with R. It's a great programming language. One last thing I wanted to go over with you guys is go to this website here. It's the UCLA Institute for Digital Research and Education. It's an excellent website. I do a lot of research here when I'm looking for different videos to present to you guys, and then I have a few other resources that I use as well. But this is a great place to start if you guys want to read up on some of the more intricate possibilities that R can offer. Thanks.